In today's video, I am going to teach you how to automatically clear data from Google Sheets. Start by opening the Google Sheet you want to work with. Before you change anything, take a moment to identify two key details. First, look at the name of the sheet tab you want to clear, because you will need that exact name in the script. Second, decide the exact range of cells you want to clear, such as a block where people enter form responses or daily inputs. Being precise here is important, because the button will only clear what you tell it to clear. Next, open the script editor. In the top menu of your spreadsheet, click Extensions, then choose App Script. This will open a new tab where you can add automation to your sheet. In App Script, you may see some default code. Delete any default content so you start clean, then paste in your clear function. In the code, you will replace the sample sheet name with your real sheet tab name, and you will replace the sample range with the exact cell range you identified earlier. This function uses a clear content command, which removes values and formulas inside the cells, but keeps formatting like colors, borders, and data validation. That is usually ideal for input areas, because the sheet layout stays intact. Now, save your project using the Save icon or the usual keyboard shortcut. You can also give the project a simple name so it is easy to recognize later. After saving, you need to authorize the script the first time. Click the Run button, which looks like a play icon. Google will prompt you to review permissions. Follow the prompts to allow access to the spreadsheet. This is a normal security step, and it only happens the first time for this script. Once authorization is complete, go back to your spreadsheet and add a button. Click Insert, then Drawing. Use the Shapes tool to draw a simple button shape, then add text and label it Clear. Click Save and Close to place the drawing onto the sheet. Click the drawing you just placed, open the three-dot menu in the corner, and select Assign Script. Type the exact function name you created, which is Clear Range, then click OK. Now when you click the button, it will clear only the cells in your specified range. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.